Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a View Once photo on WhatsApp Web. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So View Once photos are a neat feature on WhatsApp. When someone sends you a photo marked as View Once, you can only see it one time before it disappears forever. But here's the catch. This feature is currently only available on the mobile app and not on WhatsApp Web. So if you're on WhatsApp Web and you're trying to open a View Once photo, you'll notice that you'll get a message saying, you received a View Once photo. For added privacy, you can only open it on your phone. Unfortunately, there's no way around this is on the web version. So if you received one of these photos, you'll need to switch up to your mobile device to view it. Just open WhatsApp on your phone and navigate to the chat where the View Once photo was sent. You'll see the photo icon with the number 1 in the center. Click on the View Once photo. It will open immediately in a pop-up window. The photo will display once. You can view it, but you won't be able to open it again after you close it. Once you're done viewing it, close the photo window by clicking outside the pop-up or on the X button. I can't click on the photos right now since I'm screen recording. WhatsApp will know I'm screen recording, so they won't let me see the photos. But this method will 100% work, just don't do screen recording. And that's it everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!